guys, have you heard we are coming to FABTECH 124 this year? It's going to be amazing.
Yes, I'm really excited about that. We will got some fantastic products to showcase, including our 3D FABTECH CO2 laser cutting machine, along with our high-end models.
Definitely, this machine is perfect for industrials that work with products like helmets, car decoration, underwear, VR glasses, freezer, and so on. It will make a real difference for companies looking to improve efficiency and precision.
Exactly, and you know, FABTECH 2024 is a premier event for metal forming, fabricating, welding, and finishing. Over 800,000 square feet of exhibits is where you can find all the latest and greatest in metalworking technology.
It's not just about the size, it's about the laser processing innovations you get to see. We are really looking forward to showing everyone what Yueming has to offer.
Same here, please come and visit us at our booth S11151 in the Orange County Convention Center during FABTECH 2024, and we will show the latest technology from Yueming.